12th Business Mathematics Exercise 5.1 6th question. Find the missing entry in the following table. The table is given, your x values and yx values are given. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and yx value 1, 3, 9 and one value is missing. That value you have to find it and 81 is given. Okay. So since only we have got 4 entries are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 entries are there. So you can write it as since only 4 values of f of x are given, the polynomial which fits the data is of degree 3. Henceforth, differences are 0. So the polynomial which fits the data is of degree 3. The power will be 3. Okay, since it is given 4. So the formula is n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 you will get your degree as 3. So we can start as delta power 4 y naught is equal to 0. So because 4 values are given, we can start with delta power 4 y naught is equal to 0. We know delta is equal to the formula is e minus 1. So just replace in the place of delta as e minus 1. Okay. So e minus 1 the whole power 4 into y naught is equal to 0. So for this e minus 1 the whole power 4, this is called as Pascal's triangle. Okay. So from there you will have to take this value, that is a fourth line, first, second, third, fourth line. So that will be e minus 1 the whole power 4 expansion. Okay. So how to write this Pascal's triangle is first write 1 here. So in the end you can see all the numbers will be 1. So 1 and 1 will be there. So adding 1 and 1 you get your 2. Now this 1 will be there as it is and in the end also 1 will be there. So 1 plus 2 you will get 3. Again 2 plus 1 you will get 3. Now the end value 1 and 1 you will have to replace it. 1 plus 3 will be 4. 3 plus 3 will become 6. 3 plus 1 will become 4. The same way the next step is 1 and 1 you can leave it. So 1 plus 4 will become 5. 4 plus 6 will become 10. 6 plus 4 will become 10. Again 4 plus 1 will become 5. Now in between plus and minus we will have to insert it. As this alternative plus minus we will have to insert it. In this line, this is your e minus 1 the whole power 4 and this is called as a Pascal's triangle. Okay. So this value we will have to use it here. Okay. So it is 1 there. So we can write it as e power 4 minus, we have got 4 here. So 4 e power 3. Then put plus 6 is there. So 6 e power 2. Again minus 4 is there. So 4 e power 1. Otherwise we can write e itself. Then plus last term is 1 into your y naught is there as it is. So that is equal to 0. Now what you have to do is just multiply this y naught for each term. Okay, so e power 4 into y naught minus 4e cube into y naught plus 6e square into y naught minus 4e y naught plus y naught is equal to 0. So the next line will be e power 4 y naught. You will have to replace it as y4. Then minus 4 is there. E cube y naught is y3 plus 6 e square y naught is y2 minus 4 e y naught is y1 plus that y naught will be there as it is equal to 0. Now go to your table over there. So this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Okay. So just write it as given y0 is equal to your first value 1. y1 is equal to 3. y2 is equal to 9. y3 is missing over there. Just I put question mark. And y4 is equal to 81. Now substitute all these values in this equation. So y4 is 81. So straight away first value 81. Minus 4 into y3. You don't know your y3, so leave your y3 as it is. Plus 6 into y2 is 9. Minus 4 into y1 is 3. Plus y0 is 1, which is equal to 0. 81 minus 4y3 plus 6 nines are 54 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is equal to 0. So now solving minus 4y cube you keep as it is. Other things solve it, you will get your plus 124 which is equal to 0. Then minus 4y3 is equal to minus 124. So y3 is equal to minus 124 divided by minus 4. Cancel this minus 4 and 4. This 4 and 124 you will get 31 times. So y3 is equal to 31. So this is the answer for your y3 and that is your missing term. Okay. So this is the answer for your 6th question. 7th question. Following are the population of a district and the year is given, the population in thousands it is given. Okay. So therefore the population in 1881 it is 363. 1891 it is 391. 1901 it is 421. 1911 it is, you'll have to find it, it is missing over there. So 1921, in the year of 1921 it is 467. In the year of 1931 it is 501. So the missing term is 1911. In the year of 1911 you will have to find the population. That too the answer should be given in thousands. Just check how many terms are given, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So we can write it as, since 5 values are given, the polynomial which fits the data is of degree 4. That is n minus 1 formula. So 5 minus 1 you can write it as degree is 4. So del power, otherwise delta power 5 y0 is equal to 0. So your delta formula you all know it is equal to e minus 1. So instead of delta we will have to replace e minus 1. Okay, so here e minus 1 the whole power 5 into y0 is equal to 0. So now using your Pascal's triangle, the 5th line values you will have to take it. So how to write your Pascal's triangle is 1 and the entire outside is fully 1. Now adding you will get your 2 over there. Now 1 plus 2 you will get 3, 2 plus 1 you will get 3. Again 1 plus 3 you will get 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 it will become 4. The next line is 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 you will get 10, 6 plus 4 again 10, 4 plus 1 you will get 5. The entire outer part is 1. Okay, so this is called as a Pascal's triangle. Now 5th line you need it here. So this line you will have to take it, but alternative, since you have got minus here, just give alternative plus and minus. Okay, so just go here. So it is e power 5 minus 5 is there. So 5 e power 4 plus again 10 is there. So 10 e power 3 minus 10 e square. The next is 5 is there. So plus 5 e power 1, then minus 1 into your y naught is outside, so leave your y naught outside, that is equal to 0. So multiply each term by y naught. Your next step will be e power 5 y naught minus 5 e power 4 y naught plus 10 e power 3 y naught minus 10 e square y naught plus 5 e y naught minus y naught is equal to 0. Replace e power 5 y naught as y5 minus 5 e power 4 y naught as y4 plus 10 e cube y naught y3 minus 10 e square y naught as y2 plus 5 e y naught as y1 and last y naught is equal to 0. Now your given values are y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So I'll just write it here given. y0 is equal to 363. y1 is equal to 391. y2 is equal to 421. y3 we'll have to find it. I'll put question mark. y4 is 467. y5 is 501. So we'll have to replace here all these values here. Okay. So y5 starting is y5, it is 501 minus 5 into y4 is 467 plus 10 into y3 we'll have to find it. So leave your y3 as it is. So minus 10 into y2 is 421 plus 5 into y1 is 391 minus y0 is 363 which is equal to 0. So now so 501 minus 5 into 467 I get it as 2335 plus 10 y3 as it is minus 10 into 421 is 4210 plus 5 into 391 is 1955 minus 363 is equal to 0. So the next step of solving is 10 by 3 will be there as it is. Just solve this 501 minus 2335 minus 4210 plus 1955 minus 363. You can use your calculus, you will get your answer as minus 4452 which is equal to 0. That implies y3 is equal to, take this plus minus towards your right hand side, you will get it as 4452 divided by, this is a multiplication, bring it to the denominator as divided by 10. So the answer will be 4452 and decimal point 10 is there, so keep a point here. So that is 445.2 and in thousands you will have to give your answer. Therefore you can write, hence the population of the year 1911 is, so you'll have to convert this into thousands, so multiply this by 1000, you will get the answer as 4452 with 00. So 4,45,200. So therefore your answer is 4,45,200. That is the population of the year 1911. So this is the answer for your 7th question.